Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for June 14th, 2017. For your Wednesday, we're going to have some morning clouds, mostly cloudy skies in the morning, maybe an early shower in the southern areas, and then becoming partly cloudy for the rest of the day. We have this backdoor front that has now shifted off to the south. It's going to be just like this in the morning. Area high pressure off to the north, so because it's directly above us like this, you're going to have a northeasterly wind today that's going to be shifting as this high pressure begins to shift as well. So not expecting any precipitation outside of very early this morning, and that will be very isolated. We go over to the NAM high-res future simulated radar and start this off at 8 a.m. Not buying this cluster of showers that's shown here on this on the NAM. This is at 8 a.m. and moving forward from this point, it moves off the coast here by about 11 or noon. I could buy a few isolated showers popping up here, just here or there, not as concentrated as it looks here. That's probably a little bit much, but I might be eating crow since this video was recorded the night before. And I can't really see if this is going to come to fruition in the morning. So if you're watching this and you're looking at the radar and saying, yep, it matches up, well, then I'll be eating crow. But I don't think it's going to be to this extent, and there may be just a few isolated showers in its place before that moves off to the south. Now, this backdoor front is going to remain in place straight through Thursday. So temperatures are going to be lower today, so will the humidity. And same thing here for Thursday. Matter of fact, Thursday I think is going to be even. Winds are going to come in from the southeast here on Thursday, and I don't think you're going to be quite as warm as what I was trying to say there. Not quite as warm as you will be here on Wednesday, but only dropping off another 4 or 5 degrees from what it was today. So look for a southeast wind ocean effect coming off the Atlantic Ocean here on Thursday. All this rain will still remain to our west because the backdoor front is still to our west, but that will start moving eastward on Friday. It'll come back through as a warm front, and there could be a few scattered showers with that, mainly Friday morning, but it could have a few residual effects here into Friday afternoon. This weekend forecast, what it looked like, we looked at this earlier, several days ago, looked like it was going to be a lot worse than it actually was, and we cautioned, if you look at the video that we did earlier in the week, we were talking about that the models like to focus on convection and rain and overdo it when they're going out further in time. And as we get a little bit closer, it seems to lessen the effects of that rain, and that's exactly what the models are starting to do now as we head to the weekend. We're going to get into Saturday now, just an isolated chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms. This is along a prefrontal trough axis. I want to put pre twice there because the actual cold front is going to be here on Monday. So you have prefrontal trough axis here on Saturday. Could be an isolated to widely scattered shower or thunderstorm here on Saturday. I do think the temperature is going to increase, though, because you're now on the other side of that warm front. So temperatures will increase back into the 80s, maybe middle 80s in many locations. And then we go into Sunday, and you're now in that same boat here. You have a cold front that's situated off to the west here, which is right here. Scattered showers and thunderstorms in western PA. Could have some more storms firing along a prefrontal trough axis out ahead of it, but this is going to be, again, isolated and widely scattered. This is not a washout on Sunday either, and because of that, temperatures are going to get up well into the 80s, maybe even closing in a 90 down here by Philadelphia by the time we get to Sunday. And we get to Monday, this frontal boundary is finally going to make its way through, and that's shown here. Here's the scattered showers and thunderstorms here on Monday. Again, the models are really putting a lot of rain down with this as it moves through. Wouldn't buy that just yet, too. Could be some locally heavy rainfall with isolated thunderstorms within each cell, but I don't think you're going to be dealing with some really heavy rain. But the cold front comes through here on Monday, and then once we get behind it here on Tuesday, could have some trailing energy trying to bring a shower or two early on Tuesday, but otherwise we're becoming partly cloudy, and we're clearing out as we head to the middle of next week. I'm Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for June 14th, 2017. Have a great Wednesday.